Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. 2025 Chevy Monte Carlo SS marks a powerful return of a beloved American muscle icon, blending nostalgia with modern performance and styling. Chevy has reimagined the Monte Carlo SS for a new generation, delivering aggressive design elements, advanced technology, and a roaring engine that lives up to the Supersport badge. From the moment it appears on the scene, the front bumper design makes a bold statement. Sculpted for both aerodynamics and style, it features a wide grille with black mesh, flanked by sharp LED headlights and vertical air intakes that lend the car a fierce road presence. Subtle SS badging on the lower corners confirms this isn't just a regular Monte Carlo, it's built for speed and attitude. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. Inside, the Monte Carlo SS merges muscle car heritage with cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts premium leather-trimmed sports seats with red contrast stitching and embroidered SS logos. A 12.3-inch digital driver display pairs with a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio setup. Aluminium pedal accents and a flat-bottomed steering wheel add a sporty touch, while ambient lighting gives the cabin a futuristic edge. The side profile reveals a low, wide stance with muscular lines running from the front fenders to the rear. 20-inch alloy wheels, performance tires, and red Brembo brake calipers signal its performance focus. The sleek design is further emphasized by blacked-out mirrors, tinted windows, and SS side badging, staying true to the coupe's legacy while updating it with modern aggression. At the back, the Monte Carlo SS delivers a distinctive look with quad exhaust tips, a sculpted rear diffuser, and LED taillights that draw inspiration from previous SS models. A subtle lip spoiler completes the aggressive rear-end look, improving both style and downforce at higher speeds. Expected to launch in late 2025, the Monte Carlo SS is anticipated to be priced starting around $48,000. Targeting both modern muscle car enthusiasts and fans of classic American performance. With a rumored 6.2 liters V8 engine pushing out over 450 horsepower, the 2025 Monte Carlo SS is poised to challenge rivals like the Dodge Challenger and Ford Mustang GT. Chevrolet's rebirth of the Monte Carlo SS could be one of the most exciting launches of the decade, reviving muscle car spirit with a modern twist and making a bold case for performance coupes in a crossover-dominated world.